Welcome to my channel. Yonka Lotion PS Hydrating Face Toner, Dry and Sensitive Skin, Daily Face Mist to Refresh and Purify with Quintessence Essential Oils, 6.76 ounces. Yonka PS Lotion Toner Mist, celebrating its 70th anniversary, the moisturizing toner debuts an eco-friendly redesign with a significant reduction in packaging weight, now a lighter 180g glass bottle, down from 255g, saving 12.8 tons of glass annually, and without the plastic cap, cutting 2.7 tons of plastic each year, enhanced for better ergonomics and environmental care based on user feedback. Alcohol-free toner delivers an immediate, refreshing boost that deeply hydrates dry, sensitive skin. With a delicate aroma, it soothes skin, refines the look of pores, and energizes the body while enhancing the benefits of your personal treatment regimen. Anti-aging hydrating face mist, iconic treatment infused with our iconic aromatherapeutic treatment Yonka Quintessence. Features a blend of essential Olay cleansing melts plus hyaluronic face cleanser, 64 CT total, 2x32 CT, water-activated face wash to clean, tone, and refresh, fragrance-free. 2/Cleansing Reinvented, a water-activated pad that transforms into a rejuvenating microbubble lather within seconds. Simply powerful, only 8 ingredients in this face wash. What you want, 3-in-1 benefits, cleanses, tones, and refreshes skin, all in one gentle, fragrance-free face wash. Luxurious, spa-like clean with a rich, soothing lather. Super convenient, dry, lightweight resealable pack for storage on your counter for easy access. An instant addition to your travel essentials. Sustainable, 100% recyclable box and 64 CT, 32 CT pack of 2, tray. Today, we are diving deep into the world of cleansing products, particularly the Olay Cleansing Melts Hyaluronic Face Cleanser. If you love your skin and want to keep it healthy, this video is for you. Have you ever looked for a cleanser that not only cleanses, but also hydrates? If yes, then you're in the right place. Olay is known for its amazing skincare line, and the cleansing melts is no exception. As the name suggests, these cleansing melts are designed to melt away dirt, makeup, and impurities. They feature hyaluronic acid, which is a superstar ingredient for hydration. That's right. While you're cleansing, you're actually infusing your skin with moisture. Talk about a 2-in-1. Let's take a closer look at how to use Olay Cleansing Melts. All you need is a small amount on your fingertips and gently massage it onto your skin. You'll feel it melting into your skin. It's perfect for all skin types, especially if you struggle with dry patches like I do. Now, let's get to the real deal, the results. After a few days of using these melts, my skin felt more hydrated and looked brighter. And trust me, they remove makeup like a dream. Whether you have long-wear lipstick or waterproof mascara, these cleansers do the job remarkably. I've also checked what other users are saying about Olay Cleansing Melts. Many are raving about their non-greasy feel and deep cleaning capabilities without stripping away natural oils. So, if you're looking to level up your skincare routine, Olay Cleansing Melts Hyaluronic Face Cleanser might just be your answer. Don't forget to check out the links in the description below for a chance to grab your own. And as always, if you found value in this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome content, and share your experiences with Olay Cleansing Melts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep glowing and see you in the next video. 2x32 CT, water-activated face wash to clean, tone, and refresh, fragrance-free. 2/Cleansing Reinvented, a water-activated pad that transforms into a rejuvenating microbubble lather within seconds. Simply powerful, only 8 ingredients in this face wash. What you want, 3-in-1 benefits, cleanses,